The episode starts with Malhar saying it's better to keep Praja happy. Dhannaji says, but Malhar says, we would not discuss anything else. We should get Renu and Prikshit married in the palace premises. Everyone smiles. Gotma worries. Ahilya asks Renu not to worry. She will have a new life now. Prikshit will keep her happy. Renu hugs her. She says, you never quit thinking about me. You always fought for me. You are fighting the world today to settle me down. You are good. Ahilya cries. She says, you are really good. Your heart is so clean and nice. That's why Shivji sent Malhar back on the right time. Priksit says, I promise. Renu would not get tears from now. She will always have a smile on her face. But I am worried about Khanderao. He was going to decide against us, but Malhar came and changed that decision. Ahilya says, I will talk to him. Khanderao comes and says, I am here. Dhanaji talks to Mahant. Mahant says, you should have stopped Malhar from permitting this son. Dhanaji says, I know. You all are feeling insulted. You know Malhar well. He has a good knowledge of Ved and Shastra. He told that a king can change the customs and mend everything. He has the sole right. Man says, we are Lord's messengers. What are we? Nothing. Is he Lord? How can he do this? The people are not happy. He insulted their wish. He has to bear the consequences now. Dhanaji says, yes, he is going to get that widow married in his own house. Khanderao hugs Prakshit. He says, I will be happy in your happiness. I was doing my duty in the darbar. I am your friend here. I want to see your marriage now. They smile. Khanderao wishes Renu also. He says, congrats to both of you. Start the marriage preparations now. It's in 2 days. Ahilya asks, what? How so soon? There is much work. Khanderao says, we have to leave for Rajputana after 2 days. If you can do the arrangements, then it's fine. I will do it. Don't worry. Prikshit says, I also have to go with you. Khanderao says, not now. Prikshit asks, why not? I have to do my duty as a friend. Khanderao smiles. Ahilya says, we will get ready and go to Devi Ma temple. We have to bless her blessings also. Renu goes. Khanderao says, Ahilya, I did not wish to take any risk. I know that I was worried for the people, but I was much worried for you. She asks, what do you mean? He says, you cannot understand ever. You worry of others always, not yourself. This matter do not come so soon. Promise me you will take care. She nods. Dhanaji provokes the Mahant. Mahant says Malhar should regret his decision. Dhanaji smiles. Gotma and Gangoba comes to talk to Malhar. She says, you know what happened with Khanderao. Malhar says, I know. What do you think? I will take this lightly. Ganguba says, whatever you did, the people will not understand your decision. They are against the old traditions. They think that's their dharma and will believe only that. Malhar says, you are saying right. But a king's duty is to do the right thing, but to find an easy way. He tells what's written in the Veds. He says everyone in is brothers. Everyone should think of each other's betterment. You know that differentiation in the society, innocent people suffer a lot. A king does not get a chance to bring a change in the society all the time. Ahilya gave me this chance years ago. I supported girls' education. Today I got another chance to permit widow remarriage. Widows have a right to remarry and stay a good life. I cannot say if this will change history. Change is not easy. Maybe after Renu's marriage, no widow is ready to bring a change in her life. But we should give the rights to the people. It's our Rajya Dharma. Gangoba says, yes, you are right. People may rebel and it would not take time. Gotma says, I am afraid for this. Renu and Prikshit were attacked. Khanderao got hurt. Ahilya would have become a target of the angry people. You want to keep the marriage in the palace. Think about it. Our family can face the people's anger. Dharmpeet can oppose us. Pujari has refused to do the puja in our temple. Malhar says, I will handle everything, but my decision is final.